Hey, in this video I am moving. I'm on Carnival Dream and I'm moving from this cabin, which is a mess behind me. Ignore that back there. But I'm in 9250 and I'm moving over to 9262. And my cabin steward just let me know that my cabin is available. So while he's cleaning the other rooms and stuff like that, I'll just casually move my own stuff over there. I normally pack everything up and then they move it to another cabin, but I'm only 3 doors down and the cabin is essentially the same. So I'm gonna walk you over and show you. You can check out this cabin tour in this video right here. So let's walk over and I'll show you. Yep, so I'm just moving over here to 9262. Just gonna move all my stuff 4 doors down. 3 doors down. Already brought my medicine bag. He's already set the room up. Everything's clean. I brought my laptop over. Everything's the same. Now, actually, press mute. One thing that's a little different is the fridge. This fridge in this cabin is actually much colder than the one I have in mine. And you can see it's a little bit newer, but yeah, it's icy cold. So that's a plus. So I'm just gonna do a quick browse around the room in case someone is only looking to book this cabin here, 9262, just so you know what it looks like for sure. Alright, so that's it. That's the cabin tour for cabin 9262 on Carnival Dream. If you haven't seen the cabin tour for 9250, I'll leave a link to it right here. So this is my, when you're at platinum and above, you can get, what do they call it? Chef's Delight. Or Chocolate Delight or something like that. But normally they have like these pedophores and different kinds of desserts, treats or whatever. But I like the strawberries and they stopped doing strawberries, so I specifically asked for strawberries, which you can specifically ask for strawberries. And as you can see, they brought all of them are strawberries instead of those other treats that they normally bring. So yay.
Well, a very good morning, Carnival Dream family. This is Peter, part of the Fun Squad, coming in to let you know that we are rocking and rolling with our debarkation process. We have code groups A through G and luggage tags 1 through 15. Now, I just want to let you know, we have our regular Coast Guard inspection here this morning on the Carnival Dream, and we'd like to welcome our Coast Guard team here on board. So we want to say once again, welcome to our Coast Guard team here on board the Carnival Dream, and we've called luggage tags 1 through 15 and groups A through G.
So I'm sitting here editing this video for the B2B process, back-to-back process. And I just noticed I never get my back-to-back welcome gift. I wonder if they don't do it on this ship. I'm gonna go down to guest services and find out, see if they just missed me or if they don't do it, because that's important to know in the video. So I'll add that in, whatever I find out.
The person who normally do the back-to-back, and they say it could probably be a mistake. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get it delivered to you before the evening, okay? The first night, and we really do apologize that happened, okay?
It's fine.
All right.
Thank
sorry.
you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. See you later.
All right, see you.
And they brought me my back-to-back gift, my snacks and my champagne. I'm gonna see if I can take the champagne down and swap it for something. Let's see if I can get a package of water. If not, maybe a soda. So I took the bottle of champagne down to guest services and asked could I get something else instead, and they said that I could. So I asked could I get the bottled water that I had already ordered, and he said no, it had to be something that was I forgot exactly how he worded it, but it couldn't be something that I already purchased, and it had to be something equivalent to the value of the champagne that they gave me. So he said he would print me out some drink vouchers that I could use to get more water or other beverages for the value of the champagne, and he ended up printing me these 4 tickets, which were $16 each. So I'm guessing the champagne is worth about $64, which I was surprised. Way more expensive than my water. Fortunately, this was my third leg of this cruise, and I was getting ready to get off and go to another ship. So I didn't want to order another pack of bottled water because you can't take bottled water onto a ship. So, but yeah, lesson learned for future reference. When I'm doing a back-to-back, I don't need to worry about buying bottled water if they do it like this on all the ships. I don't know if he was just doing it like that or if they all do it. So I'll find out in the future. But yeah, I'll just forfeit my buying packs of bottled water. And obviously this $64 is worth way more than what I pay for the 12 pack of bottled water. So yay me. All right, that's it. So hopefully you learned something from this. If you're in the same situation as me, you'll know that you can make this request. Hope that was helpful. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next cruise.